Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a blooming onion. A blooming onion is very popular in steakhouses. I'm going to show you how to make one today. Here's what you'll need. You'll need one large onion. And you know what? Honestly, it doesn't have to be large. You can do a medium-sized onion if you want, okay? So we have one large onion. We have 2 large eggs. We're going to need lemon pepper, soul seasoning, chicken seasoning, and we're going to need flour and milk. We're going to need salt, ketchup, ranch, and hot sauce. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do is, let's get a good picture on this onion. I need to cut the onion. I'll show you how. Okay, let me get these eggs out the way. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, put those onions in a bowl. Alright, here's what we need, guys. We're going to, this part right here, we're going to keep that part on, okay? And the reason why we're going to keep it on is because that's going to hold the onion together, okay? So let's proceed in cutting, and I'm going to cut about this much off, okay? Let's cut this much off. Let's see. That's why I have this one. I thought I'd need another knife. Cut that right off. Just like that, guys. Give you guys a flat surface right there, okay? Let's peel this first layer. Let's get that peeled off. This is a fun recipe, guys. And this is a recipe that you can share with others, you know. If you want to make a steak dinner for you and someone else, make a blooming onion and put it in the middle of your table and you guys can share it. Okay, let's get this peeled the best we can. Sometimes onions give you a hard time peeling them. Here we go. Let's see, I think I'm going to go in with my knife and peel it. See that? That's easier than struggling. Okay, so now we have all the peeling off, right? Check me out, guys. Here's what we're going to do. But be careful that you don't cut yourself, okay? What I want to do, like I said, I'm keeping this part attached, okay? But I do want to make it flat, okay? So I'm literally just chopping off a little bit. I'm not taking it off. I'm just making it flat. Just like that, guys. Okay? See that? That's what we want. Now this layer here, see how it still has some skin on it? I'm going to take that first layer off, okay? Just like this, no problem. And this here, if you guys can see that, pull that off too, okay? We don't want that. Alright? Very simple. Okay, let me toss this, guys. I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, here's what we're going to do. You can do it from this way, and you can go in and start cutting it like this, okay? Or you can do it this way, okay? I'm going to do mine this way, okay? Alright, so let's get started. Put your hand, oh, let's see if you guys can see this really good. Put your hand here. Cut down, right? But we don't want to cut down too far, okay? Can you guys see? Let's see, my line stopped right about here. Okay, don't cut into this, okay? Alright, so we got that first line. Now we're going to come across and cut this way. Don't go all the way down, guys. Just a little ways down. Then we want to come across that way. Then we want to come across this way. Okay, so let me show you what we have. Can you guys see that well? Okay, that's what we have. All right. This is part of the blooming, okay? So let's set this aside. All right, and let's come over here. We're going to go ahead and crack those 2 eggs into the milk. And this is like a 1.5 cups of milk. You don't need, too much milk. There's my 2 eggs. All right. I'm going to whisk. Let me remove my knife. Well, I'll keep that knife there, okay? Let's bring this here. Whip it up, okay? Whip those eggs in really good to the milk. Okay? There we go, just like that. You can't go wrong with that. Okay, next thing we're going to need to do is we want to take our fingers like this and kind of open up your blooming onion. See how simple? Don't break it. Be patient with it, okay? See this? See how it opens up? All right. See that? Feel free to put your finger down in there like that. Okay. Did you guys get a good picture of that? Okay. And just kind of open up the petals just like this. Be patient. Alright, my next step, I'd like to season it. Let's season it over top of the flour, okay? Let me turn the camera a little bit. This is the lemon pepper, guys. And you can move the petals around so that seasoning can get down in there. Season your milk. Feel free to season your milk, okay? Alright. Get that season down in those petals, guys. Okay? It's not going to be perfect, but get it down in there much as you can. See that? There we go. Okay? Chicken seasoning. Chicken seasoning goes perfect on this, guys. It has the perfect seasonings that you want on your blooming onion. Okay? Open it up. Get down in there. Get in those petals, guys. Like I said, it's okay to put seasoning in your milk, okay? Alright, now, let's go in. Let's dip that onion. Okay? Look at this. Open that onion up with your hands. Okay? I actually, at the beginning of this fall, I went out with a couple of friends to a steakhouse. And one of my friends, she ordered the blooming onion. And she just loved this blooming onion. And I'm looking at her, and I'm looking at her friend, and they are just devouring this blooming onion. And I told myself, I'm going to make a blooming onion. And here we are. Like I told you guys in the homemade cinnamon bun video, guys, even if you've never made something before, go in and make it. Like, what can go wrong? Just follow the recipe, look up the recipe, try it, taste it, and see. Like, whatever seasonings you like, put those seasonings on your blooming onion, okay? Whatever sauces you think that you would like, make that sauce for your blooming onion. That's what I'm doing today. I'm making a sauce for this blooming onion that I like. Okay, we're going to let this sit for a while upside down. And what's going to happen when we sit that upside down, guys, it's going to open up a little bit more. Okay? Yep, it's going to open up a little bit more by it sitting in that cold milk, because that milk's cold. Okay? Let's let it sit for a while. I'm going to turn my oil up, and when I come back, we'll get this fried up. Okay guys, I'm back. This onion has sat in the cold milk for a good 10 minutes. Okay? And it's absorbed all of the egg, all of the milk. And what that egg and milk will also do, it helped open up the petals, but it also will help the flour to adhere to this onion. Okay, and what I'd like to do to my flour is season my flour just a little bit, not too much. Not too much, because we already seasoned the milk. Just a little bit. Okay? A little bit of lemon pepper. There we go. A little bit of salt. There we go, guys. Let me whisk that up. Get that down in there. Okay, let's go in with the onion, guys. This is the exciting part. Let me turn my camera. There we go. This is the excited part. Don't be afraid to open up your petals, okay? Don't be afraid to open the petals up and go in with your flour, okay? Go in, because we got egg and milk all down in those crevices, and that egg and milk is wanting to help this flour adhere to the petals. Okay, while you're doing this, don't be afraid. Open up your petals, okay? And you know what? If some of your petals fall off, it's okay. You know, like, don't worry about it, okay? It's okay. It'll turn out just fine. Look at that, guys. Okay? Yeah, this is very nice appetizer. Like I said, if you're having a meal with someone, a steak meal, having a date with someone, make this and you guys can share this. Like, who doesn't like onion rings? Seriously. Who does not like onion rings, guys? Like, somebody tell me. Okay, we're going to take a good shake. Okay. Get any excess out. And let me bring it to the camera. See how it's coated well? See that, guys? Just what we're wanting, okay? Now, if you have the time, you can put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes or in the refrigerator for about 35 minutes, okay? Just to let your flour adhere to this very well. Okay? If not, just do it like we're doing it. What I'm going to do, let me wipe my hands down, guys. Just a second. Get all that flour off of my fingers. Because what I want to do is I want to test the oil and make sure that the oil's ready. And like I've told you guys in the past, make sure you always check your oil, okay? And how we're going to check that oil is I'm going to put my fingers down in this flour, okay? Put it down in here. If it sizzles like that, it's ready, okay? So that's perfect. I'm going to go in with this onion, okay? I'm going to put the onion bottom side in, okay? So the cut side went in first. Okay guys, I'm back. We had some grease splattering, hey, but we're just fine. Okay, so let me go in here and check our onion. Take a look at this, guys. Here's what it's looking like. Isn't that beautiful? And don't be afraid to turn it over. Turn it over this way. Okay? Now, what you definitely want to do, guys, definitely use a bigger pan. I should have definitely used a bigger pan. Okay. Let's turn it over this way. This is almost done. I'm going to take this out and drain it, and then I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Okay guys, we're back. Let's go ahead and make this sauce. This sauce is very simple. You're just going to use some ranch, and there's no certain measurement, okay? However much ranch you'd like to use, okay? Whoops. Get ranch in there. Get hot sauce. Now you could do ranch, hot sauce, and honey. That would be very good. Okay, there's that. But what I want to do is I want to put ranch, hot sauce, and ketchup. Because I love ketchup. Do what you want to do. Put what you want in your sauces, okay? Look at this, guys. Like, you cannot go wrong with that. See that? Let me go in and taste it, guys. Ooh, it's perfect. Okay, let me get a bowl for that. Ooh, that's good. Try this out, guys. And like I said, make sure you use a bigger pan so that you won't have grease splatters like I did. And have fun, guys. Just go in and do it. Let's see. That sauce is so good, guys. Here's this. What I'm going to do, let me get a plate so we can plate this up and we'll taste it. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. And you know what? Seriously, take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this blooming onion. Is that beautiful? And look at the sauce. Look at that, guys. Okay, let's go in. Let's give this a taste. Let's get a good picture in on that. Let's see, I'm going right here, guys. Oh, and look, the petal. The petal comes off so easily. Whoa, that's hot. Look at that. Look at that onion in there, guys. Let's taste it. Oh, my goodness. Oh, guys. Oh, my goodness. Let's try that crunchy one right there. Do you guys hear that crunch? Guys, this is delicious. Ooh, let me get that crunchy bits right there. This is so good, guys. And remember, like I said, look how easy that petal comes off. And like I said, you guys can put whatever seasonings you want. My friend would really love this. Look at that, guys. Let's take another bite. This here is a true party favor, guys. A romantic dinner to share with someone. Something to eat when you're playing a deck of cards, guys. Try this meal. Let me take another bite. Look at that onion hanging out, guys. One more bite. I know I keep saying one more bite, but this is like so good. Hear that crunch? Delicious, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video. And as always, God bless. Have a great night. Enjoy.